How to fix Telegram calling issues. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Telegram application is updated to its latest version. So just go to Telegram. Now, as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Telegram. But before that, what you have to do is just go to the settings and scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps. Here you can search for the Telegram application via typing on the search bar. You can just scroll down. So I'm just gonna wait and scroll for Telegram application on my device. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and then tap on clear cache. Okay, then tap on app permissions and make sure that you have given access to your microphone, your files and media, and you have given access to all of other options that are available. After that, you can just tap on your power button and tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might definitely solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.